The one language that could beat Python soon. I know. That sounds crazy. Python has dominated for years. It's in AI, data science, web development, automation, literally everywhere. But right now, a new challenger is quietly climbing the ranks, and developers around the world are starting to take notice. In this video, I'll show you which language it is, why people are switching, and whether it actually has a chance to beat Python in the next few years. Stay till the end, because I'll also explain why, despite the hype, Python might still win in the long run. Let's start with Python's position right now. Python is the king of simplicity. It powers tools like TensorFlow, Flask, Django, and millions of scripts worldwide. Its flexibility and readability made it the go-to for beginners and professionals. But the truth is, Python's main weakness has always been speed. It's not the fastest language, and that's exactly where its challenger comes in. The language that might actually threaten Python's throne is Rust. Rust was designed for performance and safety, two things Python struggles with. It runs at near C++ speed, but with modern syntax that prevents common bugs and memory errors. Companies like Dropbox, Discord, and even Microsoft have started using Rust in production for parts of their systems. And here's the interesting part. Developers who switch to Rust often don't go back. Its compiler literally helps you write better, cleaner code. Let's compare them quickly. In Python, you can write code faster. It's like writing in plain English. But when that code runs, Python needs to interpret it line by line. That slows it down. Rust, on the other hand, compiles everything directly into machine code. No interpreter, no waiting. This means faster execution, lower memory usage, and fewer crashes. That's why Rust is becoming popular for building high-performance web servers, games, and even AI infrastructure tools. And the numbers back it up. On Stack Overflow's developer survey, Rust has been voted most loved programming language for multiple years in a row. Its community is smaller but incredibly passionate. Meanwhile, Python's community is massive. Millions of developers, countless libraries, and endless tutorials. So while Rust is growing fast, Python still dominates every field from automation to machine learning. Think of it like this. Python is the friendly all-rounder, easy to learn, perfect for prototypes and AI. Rust is the perfectionist. Harder to learn, but unbeatable in performance. They're not enemies, they actually complement each other. In fact, some developers are now writing performance-critical parts of their Python apps in Rust, combining the best of both worlds. So, could Rust really beat Python? Maybe in certain areas, like system programming, performance-heavy apps, and security-focused software. But in everyday development, Python's ecosystem and simplicity are still unmatched. Rust may be the rising star, but Python is still the sun. If you want to know why Python still dominates 2025 even with all this competition, watch my last video, Why Python Dominates in 2025. It'll make everything I said here make perfect sense. Links in the comments and description. Go check it out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.